Good morning, students. In this session, we will study about the human brain and spinal cord. Now, the brain is the main coordinating center in the human body. It is protected by the cranium. Cranium is the outer portion that covers whole part of the brain. It is covered by three membranes called meninges, filled with a fluid called cerebrospinal fluid, which protects the brain from shocks. So, in short, you can say that brain, that is the main organ, is there by which the coordinating activities are being done. It is protected by the protective layer that is known as cranium, and other three membranes, they are known as meninges, which are again filled with a fluid, that is cerebrospinal fluid, and this cerebrospinal fluid protects the brain from the mechanical shock. The brain has three main parts. They are forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Now, what is included or what are the function of these three parts of the brain? First one, that is forebrain. It consists of the cerebrum and the olfactory lobes. It is the thinking part of the brain and controls voluntary action. Now students, please note here, there are two actions are there. One is voluntary action and one is involuntary action. Voluntary actions are those that are controlled by us, and involuntary that are not controlled by the human activities. Now it controls touch, smell, hearing, taste, sight, mental activities like thinking, learning, memory, emotions, etc. Second, the midbrain is there, which controls involuntary actions and reflex movements of head, neck, eyes, etc. Third part, that is the hindbrain, which consists of cerebellum, pons and medulla. These are the three parts of the hindbrain are there. First, the cerebellum. It controls body movements, balance and posture. Second part of hindbrain, that is the pons. It controls respiration. Medulla oblongata, that is the third part of the hindbrain. It controls the heartbeat, that is beating of heart, blood pressure, swallowing, coughing, sneezing, vomiting, etc. So here we have seen what are the activities that are controlled by the brain, what are the parts that are included in the brain, and what are the different functions that are controlled by these three parts of the brain. Here you can see the figure of the human brain, which is having the different lobes, that is parietal lobe, frontal lobe, occipital lobe, temporal lobe. These are the four different types of lobes are present along with the different parts of the brain, that is pons, medulla oblongata, spinal cord, cerebellum. Okay. Here you can see the other parts of the brain which are also very much important. All this part work together in the conduction of the signal. Now next is the spinal cord. Spinal cord also is a very important part of our nervous system. It starts from the brain and extends to the vertebral column. It has total 31 pairs of spinal nerves, and as we have seen the brain part, that brain part include 12 pairs of the cranial nerves, that is nerves arising from the brain, they are known as cranial nerves, and there are 12 pairs, and 31 pairs are there in the spinal nerves. This, they carry the messages to and from the brain. It also controls the reflex actions. Now here you can see the spinal cord whole, it is there. Okay, and these are the different nerves that are present. Cervical nerves that are present in the neck region, thoracic nerves that is present in the thoracic cavity. Below the thoracic cavity there comes the lumbar region, and so the nerves name is the lumbar nerves. Then below that the sacral nerves is there, and this coccygeal nerves that is related to the tailbone. So these are the coccygeal nerves. So these different nerves are present in the spinal cord, and it is the most important part of the nervous system.